Hello everyone and welcome to our comprehensive guide on data structures in Python. In this video, we will dive into the fundamental building blocks of Python programming, exploring how data structures play a crucial role in organizing and manipulating data efficiently. So, the today's topic is Python data structures. So guys, how many data structures in Python? So the first data structure, which is list. In Python, data structures are a way of organizing and storing data efficiently. So guys, what is data structures? Data structure are a way of organizing and storing data efficiently so that operations can be performed on them efficiently. Python offers several built-in data structures, each with its own characteristics and use cases. So, some common data structures in Python include. So in this video, the first data structure, which is lists. So what is list? So lists are ordered collection of items that can be of any data type. They are mutable, meaning you can modify their elements after creation. Lists are defined using square brackets and elements are separated by commas. So let's start with our first data structure, which is Python list. So what is lists? And they store multiple items in a single variable. For example, this is list1 variable and this single variable store multiple items, which is elements. So the third one is list items are represented by commas. So guys, here this is comma which is appear on your screen. So list item are separated by commas and enclosed within square brackets. So it is very important that lists are enclosed with square brackets. And lists are changeable, meaning we can alter them after creation. So lists are changeable. So guys, the term changeable means mutable. In your books, it can be also written as mutable. So mutable means which can be changeable after creation. So we can change list after its creation. So here are two examples. First one is this and the second one is this. As we can see, a single list can contain items of different data types. So guys, just open your Jupyter notebook and let's start our coding. So it is opening and this is homepage of Jupyter notebook. Now we will create a new Python file. and click on select and then rename this file. So topic is Python data structures. So first data structure, which is lists. Mark down it and then make heading. Okay. So example 1. Make a variable lst1 and then use, this is a square bracket, and then this is elements. Element can be of different types, and then create another variable. For example, first we only print lst1. So print list1 and here is the output. And we also know that how to check the data type of any variable. So use type function and then your variable name and then print it. So the type of this variable is list. You can also create another variable, for example list2 and then a square bracket and then Python, Java, these are coding languages, C and C++ and HTML, and then print lst list2. So this is list2 and check the type of this list. So the type is list. Now go to the next example. Create a variable So guys, this is the heading. A single list can contain items of different data types. So here is the code. For example, mixed elements, or we can say that mixed list, and then here this is number, and you can also type string values Python and then 5 and then Java, and then print our list, which is mixed element list, and check the type of this list. So this is our list and this is our type of list. So in this way we can create list using square brackets. Now move to the next topic, which is list index. So what is list index? So alright everyone, now you have hopefully understood. So let's take a closer look to this code and this code also. Now move to the next topic. Next topic is list indexing. So each element or item in a list has its own unique index. This index can be used to access any particular item from the list. The first item has index 0, second item has index 1, and the third item has index 2, and so on. For example, red, this is element and the index of this element is 0. So guys, in Python and many programming languages, indexing starts from 0, and the index of green is 1, and the index of blue is 2, and the index of yellow is 3, and last one, the index of green is 4th. So first, second, third, fourth and fifth. This is fifth element. Fifth element means indexing n minus 1, which is n is element, so the indexing is fourth index. So this is fourth index. So open your Jupyter notebook. But before we also cover this topic. So accessing list items. We can access list items by using its index with the square bracket syntax. So we can access index item because as we know that list are ordered collection of items. It means we can access list element by their index. For example, colors 0 will give red, colors 1 will give green, and so on. So this is positive indexing. And what is negative indexing? We also covered it. So go to the Jupyter notebook. So this is our Jupyter notebook, and colors equal to red, blue and green. So the index of this red is 0, and the index of this blue is 1, and the index of this green will be 3. Okay, so just comment it and keep the heading accessing list items. We can access list items by using its index with the square bracket syntax. For example, positive indexing. So guys, what is positive indexing? As we have seen that list items have index, as such we can access items using this indexing. For example, language equal to Python, Java, C, C++. Now print language and type here index of Python will be 0. So in this way we can access list. Similarly, print language 1 and print. Similarly, print language. So zoom the screen. Language 2. Similarly, print language, which is 3. And these are the outputs. In this way we can access list elements. Okay guys, so move to the next topic, negative indexing. So guys, what is negative indexing in Python? So negative indexing is nothing but if you write here -1, then the output will be C++. So -1 means it starts from backward and go to the leftward. So it start from right hand side and then go to the left hand side. So just correct it and give the heading negative indexing. So negative indexing, for example, negative indexing similar to indexing. Negative indexing is also used to access items but from the end of the list. The last item has index -1, second item has index -2, and the third item has index -3, and so on. For example, colors equal to red, green, blue, and yellow. So now print variable name and then square bracket and then -1. This is negative indexing and the output will be yellow. Similarly, print colors -2. Similarly, print colors -3 and similarly same colors -4. So these are the output. What if we write colors -5? So it's so error list index out of range. Okay, so the element is not in the list, so it's so error. It will show error if element not found in list. Now just look at its definition. So this is negative indexing. It's similar to positive indexing, but negative indexing is also used to access items, but from the end of the list the last item has index -1, second item has index -2, and the third item has index -3, and so on. So this is the example. Now guys, what is range of index? So range of index, you can print a range of list items by specifying where you want to start and where do you want to end, and if you want to skip elements in between the range. So in range parameter there are three parameters. First one is start, and second is end, and the third one is jump index, or we can say that skip parameter. So this skip parameter is nothing but this is jump index. So here are the example. Here is example. Now go to the Jupyter notebook. So everyone, we have one more example, and this is very good example, and the question is check whether an item is present in the list. So we can also check the item is present in the list or not. We can check if a given item is present in the list. This is done using in keyword. For example, colors equal to red and green and blue, yellow, and the last one is green. So now we want to check an item present in list or not. So we use if condition. If blue in, this is in keyword colors, then Python print blue is present, else the Python will print blue is absent. Okay guys, so blue is absent and so blue is present. If we write here golden, so golden color is not present in the list. Or if we write here blue and now we will remove this blue color and then execute our code, so blue is absent in list. So in this way we can check item present in list or not. So now range of index. What is range of index? You can print a range of index items by specifying where you want to start, where do you want to end, and if you want to skip elements in between the range. So the syntax of range is range list name and then start and then end and then colon and then jump index, or you can say that skip parameter. So this is the syntax of range. Example, printing elements within a particular range. So guys, for example, create a variable. You can create any variable, for example cars, and the car name is Hyundai, Ford, and and the car name is yes BMW, and then Tesla, and then one more car name is Audi, yes, and then print cars and then square bracket, and then suppose we want to print, guys, we have add more car names, and Subaru. Then now we want to print the elements from the third index to the seventh. So This is the output on the third index. First 0, 1, 2 and 3 on the third index Tesla element, and 4, 5, 6 and 7. So last number will is not include. So Toyota only print here. So guys, this is called list slicing. Now we want to use negative indexing, negative slicing. For example, print -7, -2. So this is colon, and then this is our output. So guys, -7 means it starts from right hand side and go to the left hand side. So on -7 this is Ford, and then BMW. But the easy way to solve this question is so here -7 means 8 minus, or we can say that number of elements minus this number. So the output will 8 minus 7, which is 1. So similarly 8 minus 2, which is 6th index. So you can also write it cars 1 colon 6th index. So the output will same. This is negative slicing, and this is positive slicing. Okay guys, so alright everyone, now that you have hopefully understood, so let's take a closer look at that code. Now here we provide index of the element from where we want to start and like index of the element till which we want to print the values. Note the element of the end index provided will not be included. So guys, note the end index will not be included. Example, printing all element from a given index till the end. So next topic is example, printing all the elements from a given index till the end. So in this example we want to print all the elements from a given index till the end.